Hey, good morning. Today I'm gonna do some glitter eyes for the game. Today's the Florida-Georgia game. It's a big deal. I'm not gonna do the traditional orange and blue. Today I'm gonna use green. I'm kind of going for, and this is gonna be corny, like if it was a gator mouth going like chomp chomp on my like eyelids. I'm gonna do some green liner and do some, my take on teeth with some white glitter. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm also going golfing soon, so I don't want to put too much on. I'm gonna try to avoid that, but it's gonna last, so I'm not too worried about that. I just don't want to go too crazy. I'm gonna start with a NYX liner stick, emerald cut. I just got this the other day, and it's awesome. It goes on so smooth. So here I go. I'm just gonna start with a green liner. I'm gonna do it a little extra thick. And I'm only gonna go kind of halfway in, because like the gator mouth, it's not gonna come down, it's gonna be like open. That's kind of what I'm going for. Do it like, again, thick, because I want to put white underneath it. And I'm also gonna do the bottom, very, like the same kind of thickness. Again, kind of just halfway. Okay, I'm gonna bring it out a little bit because I want to kind of not really look like a head or anything. I don't want to draw cartoon characters on my face. That's not what I'm going for. Alright, now the other side. Kind of start with the corner and work my way in. See how smooth this pencil goes on? It's like I don't even have to try. Try to make it even. And then the bottom again. The key to the eyeliner is a good pencil, period. And this kind of is more of a gel consistency, I guess. I don't know if it has anything specific on here, but anyway, I'm in love with it, so. Okay. It's a little uneven, but that's okay, because I'm about to cover it all up anyway. I'm gonna set it with some finishing powder a little bit, because I'm gonna be sweating today, probably. I'm already sweating. So, and this setting powder is not gonna change the color, it's just gonna make it so it doesn't get all gunked up or stick to my eyelid. I hate that. Like, an hour later you think you're looking cute, but then you go in the mirror and you have like your makeup on your eyelid. I'm like, wow, I wish somebody would have told me that, because that looks like crap. Okay, that's it. Just a little finishing powder. Don't have to go overboard with it. Okay, and now I'm gonna try the glitter. I'm gonna use my liquid sugar. I found a smaller vial of this in my makeup when I was cleaning it out yesterday, but you can buy it in like this size. This is the typical one I use, but I'm gonna use up this little one first. So liquid sugar. I put my glitter and liquid sugar on a little plate. It, I don't know, it makes sense to me. I don't want to mix the two together, and I want to kind of keep them separate. I want to save the glitter as best I can, not use too much, so if I dump a little bit on a plate, it typically helps. Now the glitter I use, this is a hack, I guess. I just get regular art glitter. This is Positive Art Extra Fine Glitter. I got a pack of like, I think it's 60 of these glitters for like 30 or 40 bucks off of Amazon. It's not makeup glitter, but it's the same thing. It's just little plastic chunks of glitter. It doesn't have to be quote unquote makeup glitter. So these were like less than $1 each. Hello, duh, that's what we're doing. Now sometimes I do buy, more expensive makeup glitter because they have a nice like mix or shimmer or something. You can, specialty type glitters do look cool, don't get me wrong, but it's a must buy. Okay, so I have some liquid sugar on a little Q-tip, and I'm gonna just dot right along the lash line. This is where my white glitter is gonna go. And I'm gonna dunk my Q-tip in the glitter. I'm gonna just try to get it right on the bottom line. Don't want to cover up the green. It's not really like white. I mean, it looks white, but sorry, I haven't had all my coffee this morning, so I'm still like waking up a little bit. Okay, and then again on the bottom, I'm gonna dab some liquid sugar on, kind of in the lash line. And the reason why I'm dabbing is because I don't want to mess up my eyeliner. And then put some on the bottom. Now there's been kind of a new trend to use like white mascara and stuff. I think that would kind of be cool because it would almost look like scraggly gator teeth, but I'm not gonna do that. That's more costumey than I'm going for. Okay. Again on the other side, just dabbing it and then putting the glitter on. Now the glitter kit that I was just talking about that came with like 60 different colors, it does have a pearl white. I almost don't even want to call it glitter because it's not shimmery, but I do not want it to look crusty, so I'm calling this glitter white, but it's not really. Alright, and now bottom, dabbing. And sticking the glitter on. I know it looks kind of crusty now, but when I put on the mascara, it'll come off. Okay, I'll put a little bit more on this side because I think I put more on my other eye. Okay. A little chomp chomp. I don't know. That was my inspiration anyway, so may not have actually achieved it, but you know, you gotta be inspired by some things to give you some new ideas. Okay, and then I think now I'm just gonna put on some mascara. So what I'm gonna use black first. This is Maneater Tarte, my kind of go-to right now. I get the little clump off because if you don't get it off of the tip, you're gonna put that clump somewhere along your lash line and it's gonna get, you know, you're gonna be chasing clumps. So I get that off for my bottom lash. I move the brush kind of side to side so my lashes get in between the bristles of the brush. Same on this side. And the side to side, make sure it doesn't clump. Do it real lightly. I don't want the bristles to go through my eyelashes and touch my skin, because then you get black crusty stuff all over your skin, mess up your eyeliner. Okay, now for the top lashes, I've shown this trick before in some other videos. I make sure to get the big clump at the end of my mascara, so I keep the little clump on there. I'm almost out of mascara. I just bought a new one, but I'm using this one up. And then I press it in my lashes like this and get all of the mascara off of the end of the brush. You see some glitter falling off, that's good. And then after I put a bunch of mascara on, then I brush it out. Okay. Same thing for the other eye. Get a big clump, as big as will come out. Sometimes if it's a fresh mascara, it's a lot, so I take, you know, half a clump, but I was on Reddit yesterday reading around and someone was posting about mascara and the different types of mascara that they use and their favorite. Like, it really comes down to the brush for me. I've used a bunch of different mascara. I used a Lancome for a long time that I really liked. I don't remember the name of it now because I've been using this one for so long. But they all kind of work pretty well when you use this application, but the brush is really what's key. And for some reason this kind of brush, let's see if I can, for those who, this is not gonna work. So, I don't know, you can kind of see it. It almost looks like a foam kind of material. I don't know. And all the different shapes that they use, I don't know what the hell those shapes are supposed to do. The curved brushes and stuff, the wrinkly ones, literally, I have no idea what that's supposed to do. Except screw me up. Because that's what happens. So now that I've got the black on, I'm going to let it dry just a tiny bit. I'm also going to put a little extra green on top. A lot of times when I'm using color mascara, you probably won't even be able to tell the difference really. But a lot of times when I use color mascara, I put it on over black, if it's like a dark color already, blue or green or something like that. And then it just gives a little hint of a different color. It doesn't take over. And since I have the black on, my eyelashes already look really long. This just accentuates a little bit more. If I used just this by itself, then my eyelashes wouldn't look as long, you know, boo. I want it to, you know, look long. So here, I'm just gonna put on a little bit. I will use the tip and I just try to pick a few lashes, just kind of brush it through. I don't want to mess up the shape of my lashes or overly clump. So that's why I let it dry a little bit, because if you don't let the mascara dry a little bit, then you'll start clumping it. So I want the eyelashes to already kind of dry in their position and then just go in and accentuate it. Like, you're not even going to be able to notice the difference with this, but out in the sun today, when I'm golfing or whatever, it'll have just a little bit extra something going on. I got a little mascara on my eyelid. Clean it up. Okay. And then just any excess glitter on my face, which doesn't really look like I have that much. I take a brush and I get it all kind of clumped up like this, so it's firm. You could probably use a firm brush instead, you know, instead of a loose brush and doing this. And I just get off a little extra glitter. Okay, that's it. Chomp chomp. That's, again, what I'm going for. Not, you know, don't want to draw a gator on my face. So, anyway, happy Saturday. Go Gators.